I'm talking about is not about going to church. This what I'm talking about is a personal relationship with God. When you're in your yard, and you lie down on your bed, and you know they're gonna call you. God wants a relationship. You don't want a church life, you want a relationship. You want you go home and go down on your knees and pray to Him. You want you read the word. You want you come and say, I come just now to say thank you. You're not just a part of my life, but my everything. Your love reaches way down deep within, passes human understanding. There will always be a song for your mercy. One word alone just can't express my heart's desire. Gratitude for one more day, my needs supplied. Your warm embrace and tenderness, Lord, you were patient with me through all my mess. I come to one conclusion: Jesus, my babe.